AI functionalities are important for dashcams, whether it is ADAS or DMS. It can help better product drivers, enhance their performance, and improve road safety. Whether to test indoors or in actual, make sure installation is proper and calibration is accurate, so AI algorithms perform best. First, open WiFiKit and connect to the device hotspot to access the dashboard. Tap on Debug at the bottom. Tap on DMS Calibration. If you haven't purchased and activated the license for the dashcam, Activate DMS First appears. In this case, please contact your account manager for confirmation. If you haven't enabled the DMS function, please enable DMS appears. Tap on Go to Settings and turn the DMS functions on. But if you have logged in as a guest, the app will require you to enter the device command password before dropping to the setup page. Then you can return to the DMS calibration page. Now, the page plays the left feed of the DMS camera. Tap on Start Calibration. If the dashcam is installed in the vehicle, sit and look forward at the Euro driving posture and make sure your head appears in the reference frame. No object to block your face. Then wait for a voice prompt
DMS
to announce the result.
Successful.
After calibration success, WiFiKit will get you to verify the calibration result. Tap on Agree to start the process. Follow the on-screen instructions step by step to complete the verification. Please note that you can proceed to the next test only after you triggered the DMS event on the current page. A heads up to trigger a smoking alert. Secrets are needed, so please prepare one in advance. If the testing is taken indoors, try to simulate the actual scenario and sit in front of the table like you were driving. Then place the DMS camera on the left or right side. Like this, the included angle is less than 30 degrees. Keep your face in the reference frame on the video without any other objects blocking the view. Following the same testing steps to complete the calibration. That's all about calibrating the DMS function. Please do that before you hit the road. All features updates of this app will be based on this.